Hello everyone and welcome back to Babs Hockey. Today I want to talk about freeing up mental space. So to make an optimal decision at game speed takes up mental energy. And so we don't want to be cluttered or be overthinking the game while we're playing. The way to do this is through anticipating plays. And in the IQGame course I talk about cues and triggers. Cues are something we would look for on the ice, or like a marker on the ice that would trigger a habit. Cues and triggers are what allow you to free up that mental energy so that you can be more dynamic and creative with the puck. So where do you learn these cues and triggers? The IQGame course. We go over 10 ozone patterns and give you cues and triggers for the puck carrier and the player without the puck. This all allows you to free up that mental energy so that you can do more with the puck. So if you're ready to take your hockey IQ to the next level, shoot me a message and see on how we can get you started on the IQGame course that will skyrocket your game.